Wait, you stayed silent for TEN minutes just because you forgot one word?
Yes, the word was fork. I called it food weapon.
Honestly, that's kind of creative. The waiter looked terrified.
Hey everyone, I'm Peter.
And I'm Anna.
And today we're talking about something super real. Being afraid to speak English.
Like, your brain suddenly disappears when someone says, "So, tell me about yourself."
Oh yes, your English becomes smoke.
Gone. Completely gone.
If that happens to you, don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how to sound more natural, more confident, and less robotic.
Without memorizing 5,000 grammar rules.
Or pretending you're secretly British after one podcast episode.
British.
Stop.
Okay, but seriously, I think many English learners have the same problem.
Mm-hmm.
You study English for years.
Lots of vocabulary.
Grammar.
Listening practice.
Maybe even talking to yourself in the shower.
Which is honestly a safe audience.
Very supportive audience.
But then a real person speaks English to you.
And suddenly your brain says, "Good luck."
You start overthinking every sentence.
Is this grammar correct?
Should I use present perfect?
Wait, why are they speaking so fast?
And then, silence.
The awkward silence is painful.
Especially when someone is waiting for your answer and smiling politely.
That smile is dangerous.
Tiny smile, huge pressure.
Sometimes learners think maybe my English is just bad.
But usually the problem is not your English.
It's fear.
Fear of mistakes.
Fear of sounding weird.
Fear of people judging your accent.
Or fear that you'll accidentally say something crazy.
Have you ever done that?
Once, I wanted to say I'm excited.
Okay.
But I said I'm explosive.
Oh, honestly, same energy. So today, we'll make speaking English much easier with 3 simple rules.
These rules help you sound natural, even if your grammar isn't perfect.
And trust me, native speakers do not speak perfectly all the time.
Oh, absolutely not.
People pause.
Forget words.
Change sentences halfway.
Eat grammar sometimes.
That sounded unhealthy.
But true.
By the end of this video, you'll know how to express opinions naturally, continue conversations without panic, agree or disagree politely, and sound more confident in daily conversations.
Without sounding like a textbook from 2008.
Okay, rule number 1.
Don't make your opinion too complicated.
Yes.
Many learners try to sound super intelligent.
And then the sentence becomes a train accident.
Just say your idea clearly first.
For example, instead of, according to my perspective and personal consideration.
Whew, too long already.
Just say, I think. I feel like. To be honest, in my opinion.
Short is powerful.
Exactly.
Okay, wait, let me try.
Go.
According to the emotional atmosphere of this restaurant.
No.
Right, okay. I think this place is cozy.
Much better.
My brain always wants to sound fancy.
Simple English sounds more natural.
That's actually true.
Native speakers usually prefer clear communication.
Not TED Talk energy during lunch.
Okay, guys, quick challenge.
Pause the video for 5 seconds
Think about your favorite food.
and describe it using one simple opinion sentence.
Example, I love spicy noodles.
Or, I feel like pizza is overrated.
Dangerous opinion.
I stand by it.
Rule number 2.
Add a reason.
This changes everything.
Because short answers can kill conversations.
Exactly.
Imagine this. Do you like coffee? Yes.
Conversation dead.
Funeral music.
But if you say,
Yeah, I love coffee because it helps me wake up.
Boom. Real conversation.
Opinions plus reasons sound natural.
And they help people continue talking with you.
Exactly.
Okay, let me try again.
Go ahead.
I enjoy learning English because I want to travel.
Nice.
Also, because I want to understand memes.
Important life goal.
Honestly, yes.
Another example. I don't really like winter because I hate cold mornings.
Ooh, that sounds natural.
Because it's personal.
Personal details make English feel alive.
Imagine you meet a coworker.
Okay.
They ask, "How was your weekend?"
My old answer. Good.
That's the NPC answer.
True.
Try this instead. "It was good. I stayed home because I was really tired."
Oh.
Simple, natural, easy to continue.
Then the other person can ask more questions.
Exactly.
Wait, conversation is basically throwing little balls back and forth.
That is weirdly accurate.
Rule number 3. Don't sound too direct. This is super important in English conversations, especially at work. Yes, sometimes learners translate directly from their native language. Which can sound aggressive in English. For example, "Give me your pen." Oof. Sounds scary. Like a movie villain. Better. "Can I borrow your pen?" Softer.
More friendly.
Okay, wait. Let me make a mistake. You're very good at that. Thank you.
Let's practice agreeing and disagreeing.
Okay. Online learning is better than school.
I kinda agree because online classes are flexible.
Nice.
Your turn.
I'm not totally convinced. I think face-to-face learning feels more personal.
That sounded smooth.
Because I didn't attack your opinion.
Right. No fighting, no drama.
Save drama for reality shows.
Okay, common mistakes time.
These are super common.
Wrong. I very like this movie.
Correct. I really like this movie.
Wrong. I am agree.
Correct. I agree.
Wrong. He explained me the problem.
Correct. He explained the problem to me.
Wrong. I have 25 years.
Correct. I am 25 years old.
Honestly, English is strange sometimes.
Very strange.
Tiny words change everything.
Like two.
The most powerful tiny word.
Can I confess something embarrassing?
Always.
Once I wanted to say I'm nervous,
Okay.
but I accidentally said I'm dangerous.
That's not nervous energy anymore.
The taxi driver became very polite.
Honestly, smart choice.
Okay, guys, your turn.
Quick mini quiz. Which sounds more natural? A, I like this cafe. Or B, I like this cafe because it's quiet and cozy. Obviously B. Exactly. Reasons create connection. Another one. Which is more polite? A, you're wrong. B, I'm not sure I agree. Yep, B again. English is not only grammar. It's also feeling.
Now let's put everything together.
Real conversation mode.
Ready?
Probably not, but okay.
Did you enjoy the new restaurant?
Yeah, actually I did. The food was simple, but really good.
Oh, nice. What did you order?
Pasta, and honestly, too much garlic.
Too much garlic doesn't exist.
Tell that to the people near me afterward.
Fair point.
What about you? Do you like Italian food?
Yeah, but I prefer Japanese food because it feels lighter.
I get that.
See?
Simple English, real conversation.
No perfect grammar speeches.
No Shakespeare energy.
Okay, important part.
Confidence.
Most people think confidence comes first.
But actually, speaking comes first.
Exactly.
Confidence grows after practice. So don't wait until your English becomes perfect. Because honestly, that day never really comes.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
All the time.
Sometimes confidence is just continuing after a mistake.
That's huge, actually.
If you forget a word, explain it differently.
Like my food weapon.
Still iconic.
Thank you.
If you make grammar mistakes, keep going.
Most people care more about communication than perfection.
And remember this. People usually think about themselves.
Not your grammar.
Exactly.
Wait, that's weirdly comforting.
All right, guys, now we want to hear from you.
What makes you nervous when speaking English?
Is it pronunciation?
Forgetting words?
Talking to strangers?
Or your brain suddenly leaving the chat?
Write your answer in the comments.
Or try this sentence. I want to speak English more confidently because...
You can also comment, I'm afraid of making mistakes. I overthink too much. I understand English, but I can't speak fast.
Trust me, many people feel the same.
And if this video helped you feel a little less afraid,
Then you're already improving.
thanks for hanging out with us today. And remember, your English does not need to be perfect to be meaningful.
See you in the next conversation. Bye! And please don't call a fork a food weapon.
Too late. It's official now.